Understanding how multiplication works is only the first step. True mathematical fluency relies on rapid, instantaneous retrieval speed. Whether a student facing an exam, a parent checking homework, or a professional doing quick estimates, pausing to manually calculate basic equations creates a severe bottleneck. It forces your working memory to drop the larger problem you are actually trying to solve. To solve this, we use the MiniWebTool Times Tables Quiz. It is a highly specialized, free digital instrument built specifically for isolated, rapid-fire practice. By the end of this module, you will know exactly how to generate custom parameters, track your diagnostic accuracy, and force your brain to recall these numbers without hesitation. Mastering the mechanics of this tool turns a slow, deliberate calculation into an unbreakable reflex. Open the MiniWebTool URL. The interface is stripped down to create the clean, distraction-free environment required for deep focus. Before starting a quiz, you must apply cognitive scaffolding. You need to strictly limit the unknown variables you are trying to learn at one time. This chart compares retention rates. An overly broad testing range overwhelms the brain, and retrieval collapses. Instead, isolate a weakness. Target the hardest multipliers by setting minimum 7 and maximum 8. Set volume to 20 questions. This builds the habit without mental fatigue. Click the Generate command to lock in your precise boundaries. By narrowing the scope of the test, you ensure every question focuses on your specific weaknesses without wasting time on equations you have already mastered. The generated quiz layout is now live and waiting for your input. Do not use a physical calculator. The objective is forced mental strain. Reaching for an external device completely grinds that process to a halt. To maintain your momentum, you must use frictionless navigation. Taking your hand off the keyboard to use a mouse will corrupt your testing rhythm. Use this physical technique. Type your numeric answer and instantly strike the tab key to snap cleanly into the next input field. This rhythm lets you sprint through all 20 questions at maximum velocity without breaking visual concentration. Intentionally pushing for speed will surface errors. You will inevitably type an incorrect answer. Prioritizing uninterrupted momentum strips away your ability to pause and guess. It exposes the true gaps in your memory, yielding the exact raw data you need to improve. Halt your sprint and commit your data by clicking the Submission button. The system's algorithm instantly translates your raw inputs into a hard, objective percentage score, displayed at the top of the interface. Move past the overall score and scan the granular line-by-line feedback below. You are hunting for visual anomalies. The tool isolates your failures with a bright red X, placed in stark contrast against your correct green checkmarks. This unvarnished diagnostic feedback shows you exactly which equation failed, turning blind testing into highly targeted learning. You have successfully completed your baseline test. To guarantee long-term retention, you must apply the principle of progressive overload. Bookmark the MiniWebTool page. Your routine is to execute a relentless 5-minute diagnostic drill every single day. This chart shows the exact trigger for advancement. The moment you achieve a consistent 100% score on your current baseline, immediately expand your minimum and maximum parameters to force a new level of difficulty. If you found this protocol effective, like this video and subscribe to the MiniWebTool channel for more systematic tutorials on high-utility digital tools. Consistent daily pressure ensures these calculations become automatic, removing the mental friction from every math problem you encounter later.